Hey guys, Coach D again. We're continuing the rowing series, seated row variation number 2. And what we're going to look at is getting a wide grip bar here. This is going to get a little bit more of your back here. So starting back up, we're going to sit down on our blocks. We're going to go a little wider than what we would with the normal grip here. Our feet are in position. Again, our shoulders are stacked over our hips. Our chest is up. And we're going to try to pull the bar to our sternum, like the lower part of your chest here. And then right back. Ideally, we want to kind of meet the bar, so it's just a little bit of movement here. We're going to breathe out as we pull the bar to us. Now you can bring your hands in a little bit closer for you in this grip in here and actually get to your chest. And you can make the adjustment here, as I put it back down, to go underhand and get a little bit of your biceps involved. So if I wanted to do that, I just go right here. And that's our wide grip and underhand grip seated row.